that my red honeysuckle, guys. I'm so happy. This was in a small pot I really made from the branch. So this is I put is near to my gate. Look at that. So when I see lots of flower coming, so I'm excited and I put in this area in the pot, guys. It is easy to make plant from the branch, so I have more plant. Maybe I will check and I will try to make more plant from the branch and put in the ground also, because they become crazy really, guys. At the moment I put a little bit here, so decoration. This is extra pot, you see. So today is gardening. It is my gate, near to gate is a back garden. So that's my mint, Chinese Spanish are growing, guys. It's a Bengali like a puishak, guys. Puishak, and it's easy to grow. This I love it more. They're growing. Look at that. It is June. So there's potato. Yeah, potato tree. Only two branches. I don't know. No, only two, and I'm trying to grow from seed. Look at that. This is yeah, potato, guys. This heart-shaped lips. Yeah, potato is very yummy, really. I try to grow here also. And here, so look at that corner will be full of scented flower, which one honey shackle. Yeah, honey shackle. I have two type of honey shackle. I'll show you another one. This is honey red one. Honeysuckle red one make red berry also. I will check. I'll show video. I will make more video and make berry. So and yeah, mint grow in the pot very well. So guys, bay leaves is very good for health, guys. You have to grow food as a medicine. Like look at that maternal I make. See, so this vegetable are grow very easily. Now let me show my garden a little bit, guys. It's the early morning and making some video. Let me show you the another honeysuckle. Look at that honeysuckle, guys. This is yellow honeysuckle. Some flower already come. Look at that. First they become white, or a little bit older, then they become yellow. Look at that. Oh, too sunny, guys. I don't know, you can see. Yeah, this yellow honeysuckle or white. Very nice scent, guys. Every day I take inside and put some, so they give very nice scent in my home. This is too heavy honeysuckle tree, no. And my grapes, you see, guys. Every year they do more and more. Look at that grapes flower, guys. Grapes flower, they will grow. I need decoration for the grape tree because they become crazy. And strawberry are doing very well in the pot, guys. My garden whole nearly captured by lots of fruits, vegetables, previous year grapes and this new year grapes. So look at that, lots of unlimited raspberry, which one I'm not able to finish. I don't want to disturb bee. Look at that, they're not ready yet to eat. Maybe end of this month, I believe. Today is 2 June, I think. Yeah, 2 June. No. Today is 5 June, guys. So, Madeleine. Look at that Madeleine, guys. Cherry is a red. Look at that, my cherry. Look, cherry in the June become red. So very soon I can eat that. And ouch. Red currant also become red now. Some are. Oh, where it is? Oh, there is, yeah. This is red berry. Red currant. This is maybe black currant. So color like in a purple. Maybe then will be black. Like black currant, red currant, whatever. All type of fruits is good for you. And so this is fig doing well. This is plum. Plum, look at that. Lots of plum, guys. See? But lots of mints. But sometimes insect animal eat. So you don't know how much you can eat. So yeah, my fig, one maybe squirrel or cat jumped away and it's broken. Look at that. It's broken. But they're doing very well, guys, because this is first year. Make from branch, myself. It's like going down, guys. Let me try to push. It's so heavy leaves. They are from market. They have made myself. Maybe I have to do something like this. Buy the ribbon. Oh, I will bring ribbon and do this. Anyway, guys, this is shortcut video for today. I'm making. So I'm happy about my garden aloes and dandelion. I love dandelion now, but guys, because dandelion is very healthy plant, flower, leaves, root, everything you can eat, and as a medicine, guys. It's not tasty but healthy. Look at my root. It is like a jungle. I have to do some work because too much together plant. I have to make shape on strawberry tree. So at the moment, this is my gardening situation. This is garden corner. To do some job, but I have to do more job because there's still lots of problem here. Let me show you my honey shackle. So people will get some scent. This is a walking way, so people should get some scent from my garden. Bye bye guys, see you again.